Hi, Jesse again from my basement where I do all of my finish work for my pieces that I work on. Now today I'm going to talk a little bit about tung oil application and how it goes about looking the way that it does when it's all complete on walnut. And I chose this because I also know that people like to see in a very quick way what it actually looks like when you apply tung oil to various pieces of wood. And you can do a lot of searches online and that's fine, but you can actually get a chance to see it here in real time. Now, I chose these legs specifically for my console because they have a really cool modern touch to them. So just as a quick example, this will be the edge of my cabinet, and then these legs will now sit 90 degrees to the side of the cabinet, and it makes it look like a really clean finish. It has a nice 90-degree angle, and it has the support that I need for the application for which the cabinet will be used. Now, I bought these actually on Etsy. I will give the guy a shout out. It's a company called 1600 Designs. And I thought it was really neat because these have kind of a unique way of kind of putting these together. And it certainly has saved me probably a massive amount of time actually making these myself. So I'm all about efficiency, and so I purchased them and they're already ready to go. They have pre-drilled holes and I can assemble them on my cabinet. I particularly bought these unfinished. You can also buy them finished as well. But I bought them unfinished because my entire assembly for my cabinet is actually all tung oil. So I really wanted to make the finishes match in a way that I wanted to set. So all I have done here is I have 50% tung oil here and the D-Lemonene. So I'd like to just show you real quick. All I did was dip this in the rag. This actually will go on very, very quickly, but you can see in a very quick and immediate way a really good idea about how dark the finish is actually going to come out on this piece. And so I'm just going to go ahead and wipe all of these legs and soak this really nicely. And once I get these all completed and finished, what I'm then going to do is let them rest with this heavy coat on here, and then I'm going to come back in maybe an hour or so, and I'm going to wipe off any excess. And then at the same time, I'm just going to let these rest again for probably about 12 hours, give or take. It doesn't really matter as long as you're waiting long enough to get the initial coat to saturate in. And before I go applying another coat, what I'm going to do is wipe these off pretty good and then go ahead and do another application. But I just wanted to show in a really quick way how beautiful the grain is when you actually do this application, and that's really why I prefer the tung oil finish. And so in my next part of my series, I'm actually going to be finishing these legs off and doing the final assembly of my cabinet. And if you'd like to see that, please stick around and let me know if you guys have any comments or thoughts about the process. Thank you.